Up for sale, I got a 1980 Corvette finished in factory correct, dark claret metallic with oyster interior, rare color combination, 4-speed, number matching 350, so you know it's a rare car. Uh, 4-speed with the rare color combination for the dark claret metallic. I think they only made 3,400 in dark claret metallic, which isn't, it's like a mid of the line, but then you contrast it with the oyster and then the 4-speed, making this as a combination a rarer car. Rally wheels. Um, it's got a couple of flaws. It looks like a one repaint. There's a little bit of checking there, and then a couple of marks here on the bumper. As the stones come and chip, they scratch and whatnot. But the paint is beautiful. We had it waxed and buffed, and it came out like glass. Four-wheel power disc brakes, power steering, AC. The gaps are nice. A little nick on the door. This one's nice. Couple more chips right here. I think they only made a handful of 1,000 4-speed cars in 80, making it a little harder to come by. But this color, this is the most beautiful color I've seen on a Corvette in general. The metallic really was brought out when we had it buffed. Little chip right there. A couple little touch-ups on the door jamb. But all the interior, door panels, carpet door panels, the little things there, that's new. Both bucket seats are brand new. The carpet's new. They put black carpet because it's a little easier to keep clean. Carpet mats that are brand new. The dash is new. In fact, the majority of this, I can't say this is new, but this looks excellent condition for being original. No cracks. Got the manual here. Nice condition as well, that rubber piece. And even the headliner components on this, not the headliner, yeah, like the headliner component, is excellent. There's no cracks in that. That all looks to be brand new too. The only thing not new is the steering wheel, which is original, so it's got, it's leather, so it cracks over time. Other than that, everything else in the interior is excellent condition. A couple more chips here, susceptible because it sticks out as the stones come back on this side. Couple more various stone chips. Like I said, it is a one repaint, but it's not a fresh repaint, so it's been driven still on the new paint. But this rear portion of the car, this is in very nice condition. I know both lights work. The dual exhaust sounds nice. And the deck is in really nice condition as well as all the glass, the hatchback glass. The glass all the way around the car is nice condition too. I'll show you that real quick. Both power windows are working. Painted T-tops. Various flaws on it. A little bit of checking. A couple of chips. A little touch-up, another touch-up there. But the paint is beautiful. This color, I can't get over this color. Couple more stone chips. Another brand new door panel, seat, the carpet. These components look to be new as well. Even under there, part of the telescopic column, or the tilt column, excuse me. But right here, you get a little bit of cracking on the original steering wheel. It's not too hard to replace. They probably just didn't, I don't know, they probably thought it was in decent condition. Why replace this? So they went with everything else. Well, the key's not in. But it is original combination, dark claret metallic with the Oyster interior. 350, number matching. 4-speed car from the factory, nice combination. Loaded with factory options for an 80 Corvette. Will be up for sale later today. We'll fire it up now and then drive it, so leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more cars like this, and here we go. Here we go, number matching, power 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It's got the AC compressor in place, the smog pump. We're going to fire it up now.